welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I have requested my brother to help me in making peanut butter cookies.
This is not a request. She forced me to do this for her channel. So as she says, let's get cooking. So we will start with adding 3 mashed bananas. And 100 grams of chocolate peanut butter. Which we will mix it well. Okay, now I will add 220 grams of oatmeal. And we'll mix it well. I will now add a half teaspoon of baking powder, which is optional. सारा चॉकलेट पहले ही खा जा तू. So we have taken 100 grams of dark chocolate, which is now 80 grams, which I'll add. And we'll mix it. So it should look something like this. And now we will keep it in the fridge for about 15 minutes.
So guys, I've lined my baking tray with aluminium foil. If you have parchment paper, you can use it.
Okay, now comes the most messiest part of shaping the cookies.
So I've already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius.
And now we will bake it for about 10-12 minutes. So the cookies are now ready.
Yay! Wow. Amazing. Amazing, right? Hope you guys like this recipe. Please let me know in the comments below. Also, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Thank you. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.